Technology has been evolving at a rapid pace, and over the last decade, we have seen some groundbreaking innovations that have changed the way we live, work, and play. Hello viewers, and welcome to our video on the top 10 tech innovations of the last decade. The world of technology has seen some incredible advancements over the past 10 years, and in this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the most significant innovations that have changed our lives. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So without further ado, let's dive into the list. Number 1. Self-driving cars. The past decade has seen some incredible tech innovations, and self-driving cars are definitely up there among the best of them. These autonomous vehicles are set to change the way we live and move around, making our roads safer and reducing congestion and pollution. Self-driving cars are equipped with a range of sensors and cameras that allow them to navigate the road without input from a human driver. This includes things like GPS, LiDAR, a type of radar that uses lasers, and cameras. The car's computer system then uses this data to create a map of its surroundings and to identify things like lane markings, traffic signals, and other vehicles. It can also spot obstacles like pedestrians and cyclists. Based on all of this information, the car is able to make decisions about things like when to turn, when to stop, and when to change lanes. One of the biggest benefits of self-driving cars is that they have the potential to make our roads much safer. These are also help to reduce traffic congestion and pollution. If cars are able to drive themselves, then we wouldn't need to have so many of them on the road, and they could be better optimized for things like carpooling and electric power. Number 2. Blockchain. The invention of blockchain technology is often credited to Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin. However, the concept of a distributed ledger dates back to the early 1990s. It was only with the advent of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that blockchain really came into its own. A blockchain is a distributed database that allows for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. The potential applications of blockchain are virtually endless, and the technology is already being used in a wide range of industries including banking, healthcare, supply chain management, and more. Number 3. 5G networks. 5G networks are the next generation of wireless networks. They are designed to provide higher speeds, lower latency, and more capacity than current 4G networks. 5G networks are still in the early stages of development, but they are already beginning to be deployed in some parts of the world. The higher speeds and lower latency of 5G networks will enable a number of new and innovative applications. One of the most important aspects of 5G networks is their ability to support massive amounts of data. This is due to the use of new technologies, such as carrier aggregation and advanced antenna technologies. 5G networks are still in the early stages of development, but they are already beginning to be deployed in some parts of the world. South Korea, the United States, and China are among the countries that have started to deploy 5G networks. 5G networks are expected to be widely available in the next few years. Number 4. Augmented reality. Augmented reality (AR) is a technology that allows users to interact with digital content in the real world. AR has been around for years, but it has only recently become mainstream thanks to advances in mobile technology. AR can be used for a variety of purposes, including navigation, gaming, and education. Our navigation apps, such as Google Maps and Waze, overlay directions and other information on top of the real world. This allows users to see exactly where they need to go without having to look down at a map. Our games, such as Pokémon Go and Ingress, use the real world as a playground. Players can walk around and interact with digital creatures and objects that appear in the real world. AR is also being used in education. There are now a number of apps that allow students to learn about anatomy, history, and other subjects in a hands-on way. Number 5. Artificial intelligence. You may not know it, but AI is already writing news articles, securing our buildings, and even battling the coronavirus. In the coming years, it will be driving our cars, growing our food, and even exploring space. We've no doubt barely seen the beginning of what AI is capable of or how it will reshape our world in the coming decades. The last decade was a pivotal time in the world of tech. Will the next decade be the same? Gravitas will be there every step of the way, helping to power new inventions and innovations by matching the top talent in tech to the business is driving these revolutions. Number 6. Consumer drones. When DJI launched its Phantom 1 drone in 2013, it kick-started a revolution in drone technology. No longer the preserve of governments and armies, everyone could get their hands on these flying gadgets now. Drones are finding all sorts of imaginative new uses, from replacing fireworks instead of nighttime displays to delivering parcels direct to your home. Number 7. 3D printing strong. The last decade has seen some incredible advances in technology, and 3D printing has been one of the most game-changing innovations of the last 10 years. 3D printing has revolutionized manufacturing, design, and even healthcare, and it shows no signs of slowing down. 3D printing technology has come a long way in the last few years, and it is now possible to print strong, durable objects with many different materials. This means that 3D printing can be used for a wide range of applications, from prototyping to in-use parts. There are many different 3D printing technologies, but all of them work by building up an object layer by layer. This means that 3D printed parts can have very intricate designs and can be customized to a high degree. 3D printing is also very fast and can be used to produce parts on demand. This is a huge advantage over traditional manufacturing methods, which can be very slow and expensive. Number 8. Computer vision. Computer vision is a subfield of artificial intelligence that deals with the ability of computers to acquire, process, and analyze images, extract useful data from images, find similar patterns in various images, etc. The past few years have seen computer vision is used in applications like surveillance cameras, inspecting the products on the production line for defects, object recognition and detection, motion detection, character recognition, etc. Number 9. Touch screen and infinity display. The last decade has seen some amazing innovations in the world of technology. One of the most impressive has been the development of touch screen and infinity display technology. This has revolutionized the way we interact with our devices and has made them more user-friendly and efficient. Touchscreen technology allows us to control our devices with just a few taps of our fingers. This is much more convenient than using a traditional mouse and keyboard, and means that we can use our devices in a more natural way. Infinity display technology takes this one step further by providing a bezel-less display that gives the illusion of infinite space. This makes our devices look more sleek and stylish, and allows us to see more of the content on our screen. Number 10. Human-like robots. A decade ago, the idea of a human-like robot was the stuff of science fiction. But today, thanks to advances in artificial intelligence and robotics, human-like robots are becoming reality. Humanoid robots are being developed for a variety of purposes, from healthcare and assistance to manufacturing and entertainment. In the healthcare field, human-like robots are being used to provide assistance to patients and caregivers. For example, the robot Steel Paro can provide comfort and companionship to people with dementia. In the manufacturing sector, human-like robots are being used to work alongside humans on the factory floor. These collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to assist workers with repetitive tasks, such as welding or painting. And in the entertainment industry, human-like robots are being used to create lifelike experiences for theme park visitors and moviegoers. And there you have it, our top 10 tech innovations of the last decade. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Which of these innovations do you find the most exciting? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Thank you for watching.